Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So we started our lesson number 1. Which is our lesson number 1? The natural resources, air, water and land. That day we also discussed about natural resources, spheres of the earth. Okay. In that lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. 3 spheres we have studied. Again, proportion of land and water. What is the percentage of land and what is the percentage of water present on the surface of the earth? What are the 5 layers of atmosphere also? Understand? What are the 5 layers of atmosphere? We also studied. Now and again we also discuss about that. So many gases are present in the air or the surrounding. Which are they? Different gases are there. Oxygen is there, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. Understand? And each and every gas having the different use, having different use. Understand? So also uses of some gases, some important gases also we have discussed. Again, types of pollution, air pollution, we discussed there. So today we will start ozone layer also we have discussed. We start the ozone layer. It is the protective shell and we discuss about the ozone. That day was the World's Ozone Day. Now on page number 3, all will be seen. See here page number 3. Harmful substances released in air through combustion of fuel. Combustion of fuel means कुछ भी ऐसे जलता है. Fuel means ईंधन. For example रॉकेल है, पेट्रोल है, ऑयल है, इसका combustion, उससे क्या हीट फॉर्म होती है. So which gases will be released in air? Nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, then carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, these gases will go in the air. Here also given, do you know? Do you know? आपको पता है क्या? देखो पेज नंबर 3 पे. In the metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Pune और नागपुर, boards are displayed at the places of heavy traffic to show the properties of various constituents of air that place. Due to these boards, we can see the amount of harmful element in the air. Metropolitan cities means एकदम big cities जो है, बड़ी सिटीज आहे, मोठे मोठे शहरांमध्ये जसं की मुंबई आहे, पुणे आहे अँड नागपूर. इकडे काय केलेलं आहे? डिस्प्ले बोर्ड्स. क्या किया है उधर? डिस्प्ले बोर्ड्स कि पोल्यूटेड एयर कितनी है, हार्मफुल गैसेस एयर में कितने हैं. नाउ come on the page number 4. We will start. Today's topic is water. What is today's topic? Water. Understand? Today's topic is water. Now, you know water. Without water we can live? No. Water is very essential for us. Yes or no? For the drinking, for bathing, cooking, everything. We need water for everything. We need water for everything now. So, water is very important part of our life. Very important part of our life. Try this. Observe how much water is used and for the what purpose it is used in your house for whole day. Record a chart like the one show here. Discuss the data in class. Divide the total amount of water used in your house by number of person to find out how much water each person need. ये एक्टिविटी दी है सिंपल. आपको क्या करना है? दिन भर में वन डे वन पर्सन, एक पर्सन को कितना वाटर लगता है बाथिंग के लिए, है ना, जो भी है, बाथ, ब्रश, टूथब्रश के लिए, देन वॉशिंग के लिए, देन फ्लोर के लिए अपन पूछते हैं ना, घर भी क्लीन करते हैं, ड्रिंकिंग पर्पजेस एंड कुकिंग. You will see that almost impossible for us to spend even single day without the water. एक दिन भी आपको ऐसे बोल दिया कि विदाउट वाटर यू कैन लिव? नो. एक दिन आपको बोला आज के दिन पानी नहीं पीना है, दिन भर और ऐसे ही रहना है 24 आवर्स तक, तो आप रह पाएंगे क्या? नो, नेवर. बिकॉज वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Almost impossible for us to spend a single day without water. It needs to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day so that all body functions run smoothly. Inside the body, blood is there. And for each and every function of the body, water is very very important. अपने को क्या चाहिए अपने बॉडी में? वाटर. Amount of water they need may vary according to size to their body. Thus, we see that water is very important. Water is very very important. हर एक की water की necessity क्या है? different हो सकती है. But water is very very important for us. Means it will be vary from person to person. कोई लोग ज्यादा पानी पीते हैं, कोई लोग कम पानी पीते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनीवन कैन यूज, एक बकेट कोई यूज कर सकते हैं, कोई क्या करेंगे 2 बकेट यूज करेंगे. मीन्स अमाउंट it will be changed, but what will happen? Water is very very important for us. If hydrogen gas burns in air, it combines with oxygen and water is formed. You know hydrogen gas, and it comes with the oxygen. When it combines with the oxygen, the water is forms. H2 plus O means H2O. Understand? Water. H2O means क्या होता है? Water. That is important for us. What is mean by H2O? Water. Hydrogen plus oxygen. It is the water. We have learned about some characteristics of water in previous standard. Yes, in the 5th standard you already discussed, you already learned about the water. Now here one distributing chart is given, distribution of water on the earth. Figure 1.5, you can easily observe there groundwater, ice and water in the other forms. Water available for drinking. Earth. On the surface of earth, available for drinking. Drinking means हम जो लेक का पानी है, डैम का पानी है एंड मीठा पानी है ना, रिवर वाटर, ये जो है वो अपने को क्या है? अवेलेबल फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. बट सी वाटर एंड ओशियन वाटर वी कांट ड्रिंक. खारा होता है ना ये पानी, सॉल्टी वाटर है, ये हम पीते हैं क्या? नहीं. बट ज्यादा से ज्यादा सरफेस जो है अर्थ का वो कैसे बना है? सी वाटर से बना है. सी वाटर से बना है, ओशियन से बना है, इसलिए हम वो पानी क्या है? हम यूज में ला सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. See on the page number 4, nature water occurs in 3 states. Water does not have color, taste or odor. Pure water, it does not have color. Taste भी होती है क्या water को? And smell भी होती है क्या? Odor? No. Many substances readily dissolve in water. Many substances. Therefore, water is universal solvent. वाटर में कौन सी भी चीज ज्यादा से ज्यादा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट एंड शुगर, वी कैन इजीली डिसॉल्व, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. The blood of the animal and the sap in plant contain a very high proportion of water. The blood of animal and the sap in plant contain very high proportion of water. Yes, अपने बॉडी में ब्लड है, एवरी एनिमल्स के बॉडी में ब्लड है, सबके बॉडी में, तो ब्लड में क्या है? ज्यादा से ज्यादा वाटर प्रेजेंट रहता है. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड सर प्लीज तो आवाज कमी करा ना, खूब डिस्टर्ब होता है. देन प्लांट में भी क्या होता है? सैप प्रेजेंट है, चिक जैसा रहता है ना, ठीक है, उसमें भी क्या है? वाटर अमाउंट की. The blood of animal and sap in the plant contains a very high proportion of water. No living thing can survive without the water. Living thing in water के बिना survive हो सकते हैं क्या? Never. Therefore, it is said that water is life. So, water is called as a life. Water is called as a life. Understand? Every living organism is there. It needs the water. For example, in the animal, blood is important for animal, and blood is made up of large amount of water. In the plant, sap is present. You know, चिक जैसे रहता है plant में, that also present. Water available on the earth. Water available on the earth and percentage. Now see. सी वाटर क्या है 97%. अंडरस्टैंड? सी वाटर या ओशियन वाटर है वो क्या है 97%. मीन्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो परसेंटेज है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो एरिया है वो कैसे है सी वाटर से. बट सी वाटर वी कांट यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. इट इज सॉल्टी. अंडरस्टैंड? इट इज सॉल्टी. आइस एंड फ्रोजन वाटर, it is ice and it is 2.7%. You know, some ocean snowy regions are there. Understand? Where there is in the some countries and areas snowfall is there. They are very cold region. So ice, frozen water, it is having the 2.7%. 2.7%. Water available for drinking, fresh water. फ्रेश वाटर मीन्स हम जो पानी पी सकते हैं. अवेलेबल फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग के लिए एनिमल्स को जो वाटर अवेलेबल है. फ्रेश वाटर, रिवर इज देयर, लेक इज देयर. अंडरस्टैंड? डैम वाटर इज देयर. इट इज द 0.3%. इट इज द 0. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. 0.3%. 0.3%. एंड टोटल, नाउ टोटल कितनी होनी चाहिए 100% आता है. देखो आप टोटल करना है 97 प्लस 97% प्लस 2.7% प्लस 0.3%. हो गए 100%. यस. सो वाटर इज अवेलेबल ऑन द अर्थ. Water is available on the earth, but it is on the different forms. First is the sea water. So it is very salty in nature. We can't drink the sea water. Ice, they having the very cold water and frozen ice. And drinking water only 0.3%. On the surface of, आप सोचो कि पूरा वर्ल्ड में जो लोग हैं उनके लिए कितना परसेंट वाटर सिर्फ अवेलेबल है 0.3. सो वी शुड सेव द वाटर, है ना. वाटर की अपन क्या करना है, सेव करना है. We cannot use all the water on the earth because sea water is salty. I already told you. Sea water salty है. Salty water हम पी सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. Some water is in the frozen state. Frozen means ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको, आइस है ना. गोठलेलं पाणी ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, बर्फ झालाय त्या पाण्याचा, ते पण पाणी आपण पिणार का? नाही. A very small quantity of water is available for drinking. That is 0.3%. 0.3% is available for drinking. 0.3%. Yet it is enough for living things. And it is enough for the living things. But we should not waste the water. इतना सा ही पानी है सबके लिए. So we should use the water very wisely. Understand that much? Okay. Now page number 5. Observe. One picture is given there. Uses of water on the earth. ये आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है 1 minute. After that you will find water is very essential for everyone, for everything. Understand? For factories, then companies, human beings, animals, then transportation. Water is very important. Water is very important. For which purpose is water being used? कौन से पर्पस के लिए हम वाटर यूज करते हैं? Do other living things use water like we do? We use water in the large quantities. We use water in the large quantities. We have learned that water on the earth is regulated through water cycle. Yes, now water cycle. You know water cycle? When sea simple, we can simply say that sea water is there. You know, in the sea water, what will happen? Due to the heat of sun. Okay, due to the sea water. Okay, it is the sea water. Sun. Now, due to the heat, water gets evaporates. Okay, and after that again cooling. Simply I am saying in next period I will again make one, I will draw for you and I will tell the definition also. When it will get coolness, again it will forms the clouds, and after cooling again water will come down the earth. The same procedure will happen again and again. Understand? So sun is very important. Understand? So water cycle, and due to that water cycle, rain is the also part of the water cycle. So water is generating. Understand? And this is the that water we will use for the different uses. Okay. Now what you have to do today? What we learned, first of all, tell me. We learn the topic water. In that we learn about the different states, means proportion of the water: sea water, ice water, drinking water, and total is 100% available. From that distribution we can clearly say that drinking water is very less. Understand? Next part, next portion we will see in next period. Okay, now goodbye everyone and take care.